Welcome. If you've ever wanted to find a specific reel you posted on Instagram but couldn't remember the date, this video is for you. Today, I'll show you step by step how to find all your reels history by date on the Instagram app for PC using the latest update. This method is perfect for quickly tracking down your favorite moments or organizing your content. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your PC. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, take a look at the left side of the screen. You'll see a menu there. Click on it to open up more options. Next, scroll down and find the section labeled Your Activity. Click on it. This is where Instagram keeps track of everything you do on your account, from posts and likes to comments and, of course, your reels. Inside Your Activity, look for the Photos and Videos section. Click on it. Now, you'll see different categories for your content. Select Reels to view only your Reels history. Here comes the best part, organizing your Reels by date. At the top right, you'll see an option called Sort and Filter. Click on it. A small menu will pop up, letting you choose how you want to sort your Reels. Select the Date filter and pick the specific date or date range you're interested in. Once you've chosen your dates, click Apply. Instagram will now show you only the Reels you posted within that time frame. This makes it super easy to find exactly what you're looking for, whether it's a throwback from last year or something you posted just last month. And that's it. You've now learned how to find all your Reels history by date on the Instagram app for PC using the new update. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.